What I really urge all of you to do is don't just check the box on yet another communication that has to go out to individuals and to your members. Be thoughtful as far as the design that you use. Yeah, it's an opportunity. Every touch point of which we send something out and communicate with the member is an opportunity to create a relationship with them. So make it meaningful and make it engaging. Tailor that communication, right? There may be multiple ways that an individual can give access to more information about transportation or about that supplemental benefit. So use a prioritized list around what's most valuable to that individual. Use different visual aids, right, to be effective in that messaging and really draw attention. Use QR codes, right, to be able to help drive individuals into where it is that they can find more information about the supplemental benefits, where they can sign up for, right? Help them in order to be able to make it as clear and concise on where they can go to access these supplemental benefits. But keep it simple, right? Make sure that you're using the appropriate reading level. Use designs that break up and don't, it's not just all text. Like I said, incorporate the QR codes. Um, and convenience is critical, right? But 65% of insured adults in the US expect a more convenient experience. Some prefer to be print, some want to be directed to their portal, some want an email, some want text, right? But what's really critical is the really drives engagement is the QR codes. And one of the things that we have is a unique, we call it Pathfinder. It's a unique QR code by member, which we know specifically the actions that that individual has taken and can point to a very specific um, really landing page or spot for that individual to go based upon that QR code. We know who's interacting in what way. So bottom line here is, I know that things come up quickly and we tend to do what we need to do just to meet the requirement, but don't let this pass up an opportunity to really use that engagement and think it through. We do have the time now. Now's the time to do it. Let's start thinking about how to create as an engaging of an opportunity with members while still meeting the requirements from CMS on this. So if we go to the next slide. So again, right, we can absolutely help without a doubt. We can do the personalization at scale. We can help drive that overall experience. The timeframes are not a problem. We have significant volumes that we do during all year round. We can take any type of data file in any type of format from you, and we can make that work. And we can create those dynamic designs with variable data that we receive from you. We have a team of engagement experts that are just ready and waiting to be able to help you to meet this needs and to make this a very engaging experience for your members. We have guaranteed SLAs with the time requirements and timeframes so that you don't have to worry about not being able to meet the timelines, whether it's for utilization management or for the unused supplemental benefits. Easy to access reporting, which is critical. And then all channels, right? It's not just the print and the email and text, but it's also the APIs and integrated into multiple different portals and um, different systems our clients have. So we would love to be able to help you with this without a doubt. So we know that we can create a solution that works for your members and you and CMS. So why, again, why does it all matter? Well, supplemental benefits are absolutely underutilized. They can help individuals with their quality of life. And so it's a new requirement that's coming. We're going to all have to do it. And none of these are, don't look like they're going to change. Who knows? There's a lot of change going on right now, but right now these are requirements and these are the dates that are in place. And so don't wait, get on it right away so that you make sure that you're um, making the most of this opportunity that you can to touch your members. So with that,